In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Trello lists efficiently. Whether you're a Trello power user or just getting started, printing or exporting your Trello lists can be incredibly useful for offline viewing or sharing with others who prefer physical copies. Let's walk through the steps to make this process seamless. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. If you have an account, you can log in using several convenient methods. Trello allows you to sign in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or your email address. Choose whichever method suits you best, and if it's your first time, ensure all necessary permissions are granted to access your Trello boards. Now, once you're logged in and viewing your Trello boards, it's important to note that Trello doesn't offer a direct print feature for lists. However, there's an efficient workaround using Trello's power-ups, which are additional features to enhance your boards. To access these, head over to the Power-Ups section on the board interface. In the Power-Ups menu, click on Add Power-Up. This will open a search bar where you can find various tools to enhance your Trello experience. Type Pretty Print into the search field. Pretty Print is a power-up that specializes in exporting your lists to a PDF in a visually appealing format, ideal for printing. After you've located Pretty Print, click on the Add button to integrate it with your Trello board. This process is quick and shouldn't take more than a few seconds. With Pretty Print added, you'll have access to its unique features. The power-up enables you to select specific lists from your board and export them into a neatly formatted PDF document. To get started, click on the newly available Pretty Print button on your board. This will open up an interface where you can select the particular lists you wish to export. Don't rush through this step, take a moment to choose the lists that are most relevant to your needs. You can tailor the export settings to your liking by adjusting the filters or preferences provided by Pretty Print. Once you've made your selections, it's time to either print or export the document. Most users prefer exporting the lists first to ensure everything looks right before printing. You can print directly from the PDF editor if that's your preference, or save the file and print later. It's advisable to check the formatting and content alignment in the export preview before proceeding with printing. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to print your Trello lists using the Pretty Print power-up. This method not only brings convenience but also provides a professional look to your Trello content when shared with colleagues or printed out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.